Good evening. Anything that we discuss today is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights using live streaming technologies. So follow along as I navigate the markets by trading in my own account, and hopefully you will learn how I analyze the data in real time to make trading decisions. The purpose of making this video is to analyze Nifty on multiple time frames, and we would be framing a view for Monday, that is 25th January. Apart from the index, we would be discussing our stock watch list. We would be discussing overall open interest data for 28th January monthly expiry. So if we see highest amount of open interest in calls is at 14,700 strike, followed by 14,600 strike. And if we see the puts, highest amount of open interest lies at 14,000 strike and 13,900 strike. So for the monthly expiry, we are broadly trading in a range of 13,900 to 14,700 range. And if we see what is likely to be the short term range in the markets, you will see that highest amount of calls were written at 14,500 strike, followed by 14,600 strike. And if we see the puts, highest amount of puts were written at 14,000 strike, followed by 13,800 strike. So broadly speaking, again, we are in a range of 13,900 to 14,700 odd levels for this monthly expiry. And if we see option max pain data, you will see that the option max pain is at 14,400 level for the monthly expiry. So option max pain data, it just tells us that if market was to expire around 14,350 to 14,450 range, then option writers at 14,400 strikes are going to suffer the least amount of losses, theoretically speaking. If we analyze Nifty on multiple time frames, you will see that on the monthly time frame we are trading above the monthly open, so market is under control of buyers on the monthly time frame. And if we see the weekly time frame, here you will see that we are currently under control of sellers, as market has closed this week below its opening price, which is 14,453 levels. And you will see that this week we saw range expansion overall, and we formed an outside weekly candle. Here you can see that. And if we see the daily time frame, here you will see that yesterday was an outside candle. So day before yesterday, the low was 14,517.55, and yesterday low was 14,517.25. So we took out on Thursday, we took out Wednesday's low as well as Wednesday high. So we formed an outside candlestick on the daily time frame as well on Thursday, and we saw range expansion to the downside on Friday. So I was anticipating that we might form an inside candle on Friday, but that was not the case. We saw range expansion, and below the opening price on the daily time frame, 14,583 levels, market was under control of sellers. So based on the daily time frame, now we are in a situation where we have made a lower low and a lower high. So on the daily time frame, the trend is downtrend based on the price action, and based on the daily time frame, we get the following scenario for 25th January, that is Monday. Above 14,371 levels, we can potentially trade towards 14,502 levels, 14,619 levels, and potentially 14,689 odd levels. And on the flip side, below 14,357, we can trade towards 14,287 levels, 14,240 levels, and potentially 14,197 levels. And the neutral price range for Monday is going to be 14,371 to 14,357. So conservative traders, they can refrain from trading in the index if market trades in between the neutral price range of 14,371 to 14,357. Now we are going to be discussing our stock watch list. The stocks that we would be trading on Monday, 25th January are as follows: Concor, GAIL, MFSL, and UBL. So let's start with Concor. On the monthly time frame, it is under control of buyers, and on the weekly time frame, it is under control of sellers, as it is trading below its weekly open. And on the daily time frame, we had a situation where we formed an inside candle on Friday. So above 435.7 levels, we look for buying opportunity, because once it starts trading above 435.7 odd levels, we would have full time frame continuity to the upside with all the time frames under control of buyers, potentially speaking. And second stock is GAIL. On the monthly time frame, it is under control of buyers, and on the weekly time frame, it is under control of sellers. And you will also observe that this week was an inside weekly candle. So basically, if you see in the last 4 weeks, we saw an inside candle which broke to the upside, and this week we had a consolidation. And on daily time frame again, we formed an inside candle. So we have to be flexible in GAIL, and above 136.35 level, we could look for buying opportunities, or below 132.95, we can look for selling opportunity in GAIL. Our third stock is MFSL. So on the monthly time frame, it is under control of buyers, and on the weekly time frame, it is under control of sellers. And we saw range expansion this week as we formed an outside weekly candle. So last week was an inside candle, and this week was an outside candle. And on the daily time frame, we have formed an inside candle. So we'll look for buying opportunity above 716.8 level. In that point of time, we would potentially be have a full time frame continuity to the upside with all the time frames under control of buyers above 716.85 odd levels. And on the flip side, below 696.95 levels, we can look for selling opportunities in MFSL. Our fourth and final stock for Monday is UBL. So UBL on the monthly time frame is under control of buyers, and on the weekly time frame, it is under control of sellers. And on the daily time frame, we formed an inside candle. So we would be trading either side of the range if it breaks on Monday. So above 1270.1 levels, we look for buying opportunities, or we'll look for selling opportunity below 1242 levels. And in between the high low range, we'll not be making any trades in UBL. And I would also like to showcase the stocks that I would be tracking next week. So these stocks, they have formed weekly candles on this week. Candles, they have been an inside candles. So basically, we'll look for breakout in either side of the range to trade in these stock. And from a positional trade perspective, on a weekly time frame, we'll look for only buying opportunities for delivery in Bharti Airtel if it trades above 604.10 odd levels. Second stock is Britannia. We'll look for buying opportunity above 3690.05 levels. Third stock is GAIL. GAIL is also on our daily, is also inside candle on the daily time frame, but we would be tracking this for the next whole week as we formed an weekly inside candle as well. Our fourth stock is M&M. It formed a weekly inside candle as well. So we'll look for buying opportunity above 835.1 level for accumulating the share for delivery. And our final stock which we would be tracking is State Bank of India. So we'll look for buying opportunity above 308.75 levels. So these weekly inside candles, what we usually do is when they break, the weekly inside candle breaks to the upside, we usually take delivery of these stocks, and we basically exit these positions after 1 week. That is, if say they trigger on Monday, we would be closing these positions on Friday evening. So these stocks, which are those stocks which we have a perspective for 1 week. Finally, before ending this video, I like to summarize. On Monday, we can put above 14,371 levels. We can trade towards 14,502 levels, 14,619 levels, and potentially 14,689 levels. And below 14,357 levels, we can trade towards 14,287 levels, 14,240 levels, and potentially 14,197 levels. And our stock watch list comprises of inside candles on the daily time frame, and these stocks are MFSL, UBL, Concor, and Gale. And finally, before ending this video, I'd like to thank you all for watching this, and do hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel, and do check out the description section for all our recent blog posts. And I would request you all to do like this video and share and subscribe. Thank you.